Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that has captured global attention, the Crimean Bridge under siege, and Ukraine strike that Russia never saw coming. This bridge, stretching over 19 kilometers across the Kerch Strait, is one of the most ambitious engineering feats in Europe. It was constructed to serve both rail and road traffic, connecting Russia directly to Crimea. Beyond its sheer physical presence, the bridge has become a symbol of strategic importance and political tension, making it not only an infrastructure marvel but also a centerpiece of modern geopolitical conflict. Its design is robust, with reinforced concrete pillars and steel supports engineered to withstand natural disasters, heavy traffic, and now, military threats. The structure includes multiple lanes for vehicles and a separate line for rail transport, ensuring versatility and continuous connectivity between regions. During Ukraine's unprecedented strike, the bridge's exterior bore the brunt of the attack, highlighting both its vulnerabilities and its resilience. The visual scale alone is awe-inspiring, and it's easy to see why engineers and strategists alike regard it as a monumental achievement. The interior of the bridge, while not luxurious, is designed for practicality and efficiency. The focus was never on aesthetics but on operational functionality. Inside, it houses monitoring systems that track structural integrity and traffic movement. Emergency access points are strategically placed along its length to allow maintenance crews and security personnel to respond quickly to incidents. Despite the massive scale of the bridge, the interior layout is surprisingly compact, with narrow maintenance pathways and service conduits running alongside the main traffic lanes. It is a reminder that for such engineering marvels, form follows function. Every element inside the bridge is meant to support the continuous operation of this critical transport artery, particularly under circumstances that involve heavy military or civilian traffic. Its design emphasizes durability and operational readiness rather than comfort, which is entirely appropriate for a structure of such strategic importance. Performance-wise, the bridge has been tested under extreme conditions. It is designed to handle continuous vehicular and rail traffic without significant wear or disruption. The recent strike from Ukraine was a unique challenge, as it introduced forces and stresses that the designers may not have fully anticipated. Yet, the bridge managed to retain partial operations, demonstrating remarkable resilience. In terms of engineering performance, it functions as a lifeline between regions, facilitating trade, travel, and military logistics. Its ability to sustain operations under duress makes it a remarkable example of strategic engineering, where reliability and durability outweigh speed or aesthetic considerations. The bridge's performance is measured not in acceleration or fuel efficiency like a vehicle but in its capacity to endure, resist, and maintain connectivity in a volatile environment. Safety features are central to the design of the Crimean Bridge. Reinforced concrete pillars and steel beams provide robust support against both natural disasters and potential attacks. Seismic-resistant structures ensure stability during earthquakes, and multiple monitoring systems continuously check for structural weaknesses or anomalies. The bridge also incorporates emergency protocols, including rapid closure systems, traffic diversion plans, and direct access for repair and security teams. These features are critical, particularly given the bridge's geopolitical importance and the threats it faces. The recent military strike highlighted how essential these safety mechanisms are, as they help prevent catastrophic collapse while allowing swift assessment and repairs. Overall, the bridge is not just a static structure, it's a carefully planned system designed to protect the millions who rely on it for transportation and commerce. One of the bridge's unique selling points is its dual function as both a road and rail artery. This combination allows it to serve a broader range of logistical needs, from civilian travel to commercial transport and even military mobilization. Its length and scale make it one of the longest bridges in Europe, and its location over the Kerch Strait adds both practical connectivity and symbolic significance. It stands as a statement of engineering ambition, demonstrating what is possible when technical skill meets strategic intent. The bridge's ability to endure attacks, maintain traffic flow, and remain operational under extreme conditions sets it apart from other large-scale infrastructure projects around the world. For engineers and planners, it's a case study in designing for both everyday functionality and high-stakes resilience. The price of constructing the Crimean Bridge is estimated in the billions of dollars, reflecting not only the materials and engineering required but also the strategic and political investment involved. Such a project is not merely about connecting two land masses, it is a significant undertaking in terms of planning, construction, and maintenance. Every ton of concrete, every steel beam, and every monitoring system represents both financial investment and technical expertise. The cost also reflects the high stakes of its strategic role, as the bridge is more than just infrastructure, it is a tool of influence, power, and control. While critics have debated its necessity and the funds involved, there is no doubt that the bridge represents a massive achievement in construction and logistical planning. The conclusion about the Crimean Bridge under siege is multifaceted. On one hand, it is a marvel of modern engineering, demonstrating extraordinary design, resilience, and operational capability. On the other hand, the recent Ukrainian strike highlights its vulnerabilities, reminding the world that even the most well-engineered structures can face unforeseen challenges. This combination of strength and susceptibility makes the bridge not just a physical entity but a symbol of strategic significance. It stands as a lesson for engineers, military planners, and policymakers alike, showing the complex interplay between infrastructure, politics, and conflict. Its existence and endurance serve as both a practical transportation route and a geopolitical statement, emphasizing the critical role of such constructions in modern society. For those interested in engineering feats, geopolitical strategy, or the impact of infrastructure in conflict zones, the Crimean Bridge provides an exceptional case study. Its story is ongoing, and future developments will likely add further layers to its legacy as both an engineering marvel and a symbol of resilience. In essence, the Crimean Bridge is a structure that transcends its material components. It is a tangible representation of strategic planning, political intention, and human ingenuity. Its ability to withstand extreme weather, seismic activity, heavy traffic, and even military strikes demonstrates a level of foresight and engineering mastery rarely seen in such large-scale projects. The bridge's story is far from over, as ongoing tensions and potential future threats will continue to test its limits. For anyone fascinated by the intersection of infrastructure and global events, this bridge offers endless insight. Its design, construction, and operational resilience reflect a sophisticated understanding of both engineering and strategic imperatives. Ultimately, the Crimean Bridge is more than just concrete and steel, it is a living testament to human ambition, endurance, and the complex realities of our modern world. So, while we may marvel at the sheer size and engineering of the Crimean Bridge, it is equally important to recognize its symbolic and strategic weight. It represents connectivity, resilience, and the challenges of maintaining such a massive structure in a highly contested region. The recent attack underscores both the risks involved and the careful planning that has gone into its construction. This combination of practicality, robustness, and symbolism makes the bridge an extraordinary subject for study and observation. Its ongoing story reminds us that infrastructure is not just about transportation, it is deeply intertwined with politics, strategy, and human ambition. That makes the Crimean Bridge a truly unique structure in the modern world. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. This topic is evolving, and understanding it helps us grasp how engineering, strategy, and geopolitics intersect in real time. Thank you for staying with me, and I'll see you in the next deep dive into extraordinary stories and remarkable feats from around the world.